Alright. No, in this video, naimbitahan tayo in one of a special garage sa client ni Sir Rocky. Yan yung collection niya. And papakita ko mga art here. Just mga art na binibenta. So, if you want to see more, stay tuned. We have our friend William here. William, say hi muna.
Hello, what's up?
So, stay tuned and see the entire video. Ang dami niyong makikita. Alright, welcome to another video. Our friend William is back here. It's a special day today. Rocky is there. That's your Uncle Rocky.
Hello.
So, he's a friend of that guy. This is William. Okay, Rocky, oh. Tumara. Yeah. Maraming fans to si Rocky, so nag-meet na sila. So, Rocky was kind enough to bring us there kasi client niya. Apparently, small world nga. Client niya pala yon, yung the guy who owns many supercars in somewhere there. So, we will be going there, tour natin si William. I want to see the fleet also. Will be using their car, the Great Suburban. Ano, Raul? Musta? Harap na ako, ah. Then, yan, we will see lots of supercar with Rocky. Yung mga gusto kong sasakyan talaga eh, malalaking VIP.
Balik tayo.
Leather na leather. Yung Rocky, oh, leather na leather lahat to. Parang Range Rover. No?
Oh, yun naman yung ano niya.
Ganda talaga ng malalaki. Tapos dito na yung ano niya.
Yun mo, pati yung layout.
Transmission. Oo, pareho nga, no? Ang laki. Sarap. Yan. Si Rocky mahilig din sa malaki yan. Kasya-kasya ka dyan, oh. Kanan. So, lead. Dalawa ata ganito. No, Raul, dalawa ganito nila, eh, no?
Tatlo. Yung sa
Tatlo
puti.
ba?
Yung puti,
Tatlo.
isa yung luma.
Tapos bago nun, Suburban na luma
Hindi
din.
naman problemado, kuya.
Lo?
Ito okay naman.
Okay naman.
Kaso ang problema nito pag nasira.
Yun nga.
Nasira na ba?
Hindi pa.
Ang
Wala pa.
nasira dito sa akin yung ano, yung suspension.
Oh?
Shock absorber,
Ilan?
diba?
Isa lang pero pinalitan na nila lahat.
Isa.
Yeah, air pa.
Kaliwa.
Kasi ano to, electric shock.
Electric shock to.
Oo, tsaka
Saka
airbag
mga 9
sa
months
likod.
bago na.
Oo.
Hirap nito.
Uncle Rocky, he sells lots of parts. Yeah, so he knows everything. Probably, sabi sa'yo, deep. So, daan lang tayo sa flat 6 because I have a surprise for our friend William. Again, he likes RWB. Alam ko may naka-display kasing isa dun. So, pakita natin sa kanya para makakita siya ulit. And let's buy coffee na rin. And then, let's head over to yun, dun sa client ni Rocky. Napaka-small world talaga, no? I've been there before, na-feature ko na yun, pero sa lumang channel pa natin yun. Tapos, the format was pangit pa. So, ito ngayon, refresh. Tsaka syempre, mas maraming kotse na ngayon doon. Marami nang naka-display. So, para ma-update din tayo, no? I'm loving the Suburban. Ang sarap sa puwet. Walang kaingay-ingay. So, here in Flat 6, first time ni William. Yeah, go inside, look. I have a surprise for you. Kasi nandito yung RW. You know whose RWBs this is? Angie King. Sige, I'll order lang. You can go inside. Ayan o. Ako ngayon ko lang din. Hindi, nakita ko na dati. So this is Archangel. I'll just buy something. Go ahead. Grabe rin to, eh, no? You like the, William, you like the double stack wing? Yeah, me too. Pero, look at the color. The color's nice, no? Yan, kasi yan, fan yan ng RWB, believe it or not. So, this is Archangel. And it's auto, it's a manual. See? So, I just don't know what number this is. So, built by Nakaisan, I think, and Angie King. But it's pretty wild. Oh, what's the base car? Yeah, I think so.
I mean, judging by the headlights.
993. Diba? Nice, no? And it's on air, I think. Yeah, air suspension, probably.
Can I?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. No? Ayan, no? Tama siya, oh. Talagang ini-inspect niya, inch by inch. Makakatawa lang. Kasi when I was 11 years old, hindi pa ako mahilig sa kotse nun. But, kids nowadays talaga. Amazing. Which is good, no? Okay, task number 1 done. So, at least may nakitang RWB. So, on our way to the special garage. See you there. Itong flat 6, ang liit ng ice coffee. Oh. 155. Mahal din. But at least,
Sarap doon sa Tori-Tori, kumakain kami.
oh, kumakain kami dun. Sulit dun. Tagal nga lang ng waiting. Pero sulit, mura.
Siyempre,
But at least, we saw the car. Second time ko na nakita yung kotse in person. Ganda. Sobra. Nice build. Alright, so we are here. Just a glimpse, no, of the collection. Wild collection. Wild talaga. So, William, siya yung, he knows everything. Well, almost. What do you mean stock? No, William, what car is this one? That one.
Yellow or gray?
This one. The one that we...
Z1.
And what's so special about the Z1?
Look at these doors. They go down. Instead of conventionally you open this way.
Ayan, ito bumababa.
Very
Ganun.
compact car.
Wait, you just push it, right?
Door stock, as I said.
Ask Uncle. He knows it. He knows how to operate. But look at this one. Oh. It's manual. Very grabe to. Ito, meron feature sa Haggerty, one of the YouTube channels that I've been watching. They just featured this one like last week lang. So, meron pala dito. There's one. So, the special feature of this car nga, the door goes down. It doesn't open. No? And, William, so far, what's your favorite? Bring us to your... So far.
E40 over there.
Tara, let's...
From what I'm
Okay, so this is one of his favorite in the collection.
From what I'm told, this car is original.
Go inside. Ayun, oh. Wow!
Look how the door opens. Notice.
Ano naman yung loob? Grabe, full of buttons, very race feel. So, does this have the V8? Ah, yeah, it's V8 na carb, oh. It's carb, yeah.
You can see the
Hold on.
door handles here are strings to save weight.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, everything they do to save weight. Wow, that thug close. To GT40.
Look at the large front
Oh, grabe.
vents. Usually this is not seen in pictures.
Yeah.
This one, green 650S.
And this one, to shout out our friend.
This
This used to belong to my friend. This one.
991.1 GT3 RS.
Yeah, GT3 RS. Oh, grabe to, alam lahat. Andre, kotse mo. Nandito pa. Wait, hold on. Andre, oh, kotse mo. Oh. Okay, the Lambo.
Gallardo Superleggera.
Super light, di ba? The SL. What does Superleggera mean?
I'm not sure, but I have a Tomica car like this.
No, because I think it's lighter than the usual Gallardo.
I see.
Di ba? SL.
This one, it looks like a CLK DTM
Yeah, ito. What's so special about that car?
because it's a CLK DTM.
Correct.
That's what's special.
DTM. So, very, very rare.
Memory serves around 400 maybe?
Only
Yeah, I think
400 in the world. CLK 63. So, diba this was the, what do you call that? The escort car? In the DTM? Tapos, what do we have here?
356 Speedster and 356 Coupe.
Which one do you like better? This one's nice, actually.
This one
Look at the windshield, though.
reminds me of the Magnus something, whatever his name was.
Walker.
Yeah, Magnus Walker's Outlaw Porsches.
Yeah, correct. Tanong mo to. Look at the headlight cover.
These are headlight guards to prevent
Guards.
rocks smashing into the headlights.
But this is not off-road, di ba? Because it's really low, eh.
Look at how low that
Yeah, but look how low. Slambo.
Look at this little
Oh,
Pegasus.
this one's very unique.
Look at this. I think this used to be a race car or something. Because of the Pegasus and the 13.
And yeah, it's a manual, of course. When it's sold, it should be a manual.
Look at this.
Then look at the back. Grabe.
Look at this one. This one's a Speedster.
Oh, the case there. Oh, look at the steering wheel. Oh.
You think we're allowed to start it?
But I think we can.
That would be
Rocky,
awesome if we could start it.
start. Pwede start to. Pwede start. Ito. Kaya mo? Takot si. Talaga. Sige. The newer cars, you can start, I think.
Like this Corvette.
Yung Corvette.
My bad. It's just a normal one.
Kasi yan si Rocky. Mamaya, interview natin si Rocky. He supplies most of the parts for these cars. Is it close?
I'm not sure how to open this car actually.
Diba this one is a 6 liter,
6 liter LS.
right? LS engine, yeah, correct.
This
So what's that? What's this one? This one is new in the collection.
This one, this 928.
928. So why 928?
Because the 8 over here in the name is 8 because that's the car has a V8 in it. So it's not like a 924 because it has a V8 in it.
And the headlight? What do you call the headlight?
There are pop-up headlights like that Testarossa over
No,
there.
kanina you told me they
They look ugly.
no, frog lights. Diba you told me frog lights. Then they pop like this one when you open. Yeah, it looks really weird. Pero,
The interior on this one. If it's openable, then
oh, it's automatic. Grabe interior. Ang ganda ng interior niya.
it's a Porsche.
Well preserved. Ayun nga, that's steering with the 928 badge. Grabe, ang galing na pagka-restore. Yeah. Look at
Known
that. Oh.
for being comfortable.
This one.
Yeah. No,
So it's a friendly driver car.
yeah.
Supercar back. What year is this? Do you know? 1980s?
Late 80s-ish.
80s.
89 maybe.
That thug. Tsaka ito naman yung look at the rear mirror. How huge. No?
I've only seen this car in person twice.
Now, tries na.
Yeah.
Oh, vintage vehicle.
Yup.
And this one, 488. Yeah, so it's a GT8. Ah, marami naman. Doon tayo, ano. William, what is this one? This is, you know what, the owner, one of his favorite car here in the collection.
Testarossa.
512?
I think it's a 512. I'm not sure though.
What are the variants ba? If there's a 512, what other variants? Do you know?
I forgot the other variants. But
But a Testarossa.
this car was named after the Testarossa from the 1950s, which won some races. This car is very much highly recognizable by
The
the
fins.
fins. These
And those are active, right? Air goes in,
yes, and
To
it
the
goes
engine,
straight
yeah.
to the engine.
so it's not just forma. It's actually functional.
These are in there. I'm not sure.
And where's the, diba, andito yung, ayun.
Dang, look at the lights. Look how low
It
this
is,
is to the ground.
Go inside.
There is no barrier here.
Go inside. Is it really low?
It's quite low.
Really low. Look at the gauges. Oh. Ang ganda ng gauges. I really like the 80s gauges. Oh. Look. Very analog, no?
Yeah.
Very analog. Look at the buttons.
Yeah, that is just
So analog. Ganda. Supercar of the 80s. V12 to, right?
Yup,
Yeah, this is 12. Huh? Ano, in flat 12 pala. Sorry.
Yeah.
It's flat. It's not V.
It uses the Berlinetta Boxer 512 engine in it.
Yeah,
so,
flat 12.
I mean, this car was built around it.
Tsaka this one,
If you
the...
look closer, you can see the engine from here. Look from the
You
vents,
can?
you can see the engine.
Oh yeah, yan. Ganda. Oh, nice, oh. Red.
I can even see the floor from here, actually.
Oh yeah, no, butas. And
We have a yellow 348,
348.
the car that failed to beat Brian Supra in Fast and the Furious.
Oh yeah, sa ano, that's the famous, di ba? The scene.
Yeah.
Ah, ito pala yun.
This is
I
a
didn't
car
know that, ha?
busted. This is a disappointment in Ferrari's history, actually.
Super, what's that? What's the name?
Pininfarina.
Pininfarina.
This is the designer of these cars.
And this one I like really much.
Turbo S993.
You like the color?
I love this car.
Ganda, no? Stock lang siya, di ba, William?
Yes.
Pretty much stock.
This car is pretty much bare bone stock.
It's really low like that.
Yeah.
Come on, ang baba, oh.
Not low.
Stock? Yeah, parang it's lower than usual, no?
No, no.
It's really like that?
Yeah, come on.
We're having a private tour. And our host is William. Ano? Manual. Yeah, manual.
Petrol in there.
Go inside.
No.
Why?
It smells like petrol.
It should smells like petrol.
The back should smell like petrol, not the interior.
This is air-cooled, di ba?
Yeah, the last of the
The last of the air-cooled, yeah. So 90s. This is 90s, di ba? 1995, late 90s. Mid-90s. Mid-90s.
So early 2000s.
Ganda ng exhaust, to. Double, oh, no?
Chrome tips.
Chrome
Scratch,
tips.
I will
Op, op.
scratch this
Yeah.
thing.
So we have, what's this one? Pagoda.
It's just a nickname, but man,
This one we saw in the event, di ba?
yeah. This one is car.
Ha?
Dinala niya
Ah, ito yun eh, di ba?
Look, we have the
Ayun, nandun, nakatago. Yung pula. Kasi yung when we went to the Mercedes-Benz Club, dinala nila to. I'm sweating like a pig here, basang-basa na ako. So what is that one on your back, behind you?
I think this is an Alfa Romeo 8C.
Ba't kaya?
The headlights on this has so many eyes.
Alien.
It's made of carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber
That's the
siya.
only part I don't like about the 8C. I wish it was just one whole headlight that's covered in glass.
I agree actually. Weird though.
It would have looked nicer without these strange headlights.
But I bet this one is super fun to drive.
Last time I saw these was in Hong Kong.
Hong Kong?
Yeah.
On the road? On the road?
Yeah. Red one.
Ba't Italian? Is this Mexico or Italian?
That's Italian.
Italy, di ba? Ay, Alfa Romeo. To my head, it's Lotus. Alfa Romeo pala. Sorry. My bad.
And the Z1 door.
The Z1, oh, look. Parang ito yung favorite mo, William, ah. Kanina ka pa nandito sa Z1 na to. Nakasara, paano Ay, nakabukas. Paano isara ulit? Tigas eh.
Door stop. Door stop.
Stuck na. Start mo.
Oh crap! It's an Alpina BMW tuner. It's an Alpina Z1.
Oh, yeah.
So it's
Ganda
a
yun.
BMW tuner. BMW is a tuned car.
So for me, my favorite, this one, syempre. The Testarossa. Iba talaga yung presence niya. Super wide. I love the fins, the active fins. Stock na stock, very well preserved. Tapos ginagamit nila yan. Once a week, they drive it around just to exercise the cars. And ito, when it's in front of the SLS ba to? Tama ba?
Yeah, AMG.
Talagang the presence of this car is something really, no?
Yeah.
Nice to look at. It's really low. Tignan mo how low it is. Look. It's my waist low. And the inside talaga. I super love the inside. He's starting the Z1. Ah, teka, wait. Let's see the Z1. Start ni Rocky the Z1. Ganda nga nito. Collector's item. But the door is stuck. Baka,
Door stop. Door stop.
ayan, no. Sa loob.
That is a very nice view.
Tapos top down siya, no. 6 speed? Ano, 5 speed. 5 speed manual.
Nice thing about this is that
It's running, look.
doors, whoever tries to steal this car is gonna get very confused.
Why? Ah, yeah.
Doors.
One way to prevent it from getting stolen.
Yeah.
So, back to the Testarossa lang. Because this is my favorite sa collection na to. Ito yung black, oh. No, I'm gonna go inside. Diba? And of course, I want to feel again. Dati nakupo na ako dito, but it's been a long time. Oh my God, it's so low.
This is a beautiful Testarossa.
This is a very beautiful Testarossa. Ah, no, it's hot. It has 11,000 kilometers. Yeah, kilometers siya. Only 11,000 kilometers. So,
Pretty low
1980s.
mileage.
Yeah.
The ones I buy
What?
in Grab-
1985, this one? Do you know?
Yeah,
The exact year?
87-ish.
Something. 87, yeah.
I don't know.
Imagine 40 years old, though. This is a supercar back in 1980s. With the logo. I'm really loving the dials there.
Look at the leather quality
And
of this.
look at the ball shifter. Oh.
That is awesome.
No? This is really good. Tapos the clutch, of course. So this is dog leg. One is down. So it's different. 1, 2. Tigas ng clutch. Oh my God, the clutch is really hard.
What Ferraris are
Yeah,
known
it's
for.
it's really, this is a workout. So pag kinaklatch mo to, it's a workout. I'm telling you, ang tigas. Grabe.
Ferraris are
But
known for having a very hard clutch.
check the inside. Ay, sorry. So actually, the owner is here. Nandiyan, dumating. So kasi nag-meet nga sila ni William dun sa Benz meet, yung dala niya tong pagoda. So yeah, we were invited to have a private tour in the collections. Very nice. Thank you for inviting us over. So tuloy natin yung vlog later, no? Hindi ko pa na mapakita yung mga motorcycles. No? Ito si Rocky, bumili din ng mga motorsiklo. Ay, ano tawag doon? Kahapon, bumili din siya. Pinakita niya sa akin. Nagsimula na. GT40. Go upstairs. Let's look at the, meron pa. Diecast collection. And, paint dealer. So if you want paintings, kontakin niyo ako, i-connect ko kayo. Yan, oh. Daming paintings, oh. Ito yung mga painting nila. So, any collectors out there, malamang kilala nyo na yan pag collector kayo. Pero this is some of the... ito magaganda.
Anong mga artist yung mga dito?
Oh. Oh, this one is super nice, William. Tutuwa ako dito. Darth Vader, oh.
again.
Life size, oh. Ito. Mahilig din pala sa toys. Oh, Mandalorian. I like this movie,
I wonder
Mandalorian.
what that is.
Where?
This thing.
I don't know.
Maybe it's
Ay, baka lifesaver, no? Ito, ang ganda ng mga Star Wars. More art collections. Ako, hindi naman ako mahilig sa art, no? Pero, wild. Ito, this one is nice.
If you're interested also, they are for sale.
Oh, yeah, everything is for sale naman, di ba? So, hit Rocky or me up.
Painting, diorama,
Kukonek kayo ni Rocky, hit niya siya. If you are ito, ganda nito, oh. Gawa sa, pantalon. Gawa sa maong, oh. Ang ganda, look. From maong pants.
Perspective is quite nice.
Look this one, oh. Look at this one. Ikaw, you like to. Mahilig pala siya mag-drawing. Ay, later, you took the picture from the GT40 or the Alpina. Tapos draw that.
Yeah, okay.
Tapos we give it to Sir Pipo.
Yeah, okay.
Mahilig din kasi siya mag-drawing, Sir Pipo. The drawing ang ka daw niya, yung favorite niya sa baba. Bibigay daw niya sa'yo. Ito, maganda rin to, this one. Anong tawag?
Oo nga.
Denim. Ang ganda to, this one. Ito, denim, oh. Ang ganda. Ngayon ako nakita ng denim na art, oh. Bernard?
Yata.
Hello! St. Bernard to, Sir Pipo. St. Bernard, oh. Laki! Taba! Corgi. Oh, dog lover din pala si Sir Pipo. Bait naman ito. Siyempre, dapat naka-aircon ka. Ito. Daming tagos, ah. Daming room. Ito pala dito. Oh. From here, you can see the collection very well. So, another good view. Bird's eye view. Ano, William? You're having a good day?
Definitely.
We will view more cars soon. Kung may clubs, punta tayo sa mga meet yan. More arts. Yeah, and you have a graduation gift. This is your graduation gift. Kaka-graduate na lang niya kanina eh. So, thank you for the opportunity, no? Sir Pips.
Look at the red roll cage in that.
Ito, GT3 na to. Ang ganda. With the roll cage. Ay. No, nasisira na ulo niya. Kaka-graduate lang niya kanina. Graduation gift. Oh, this one. Tara sa diecast. Then, ito may cafe na. Dati wala to eh. Ngayon may cafe na sila. 4 o'clock na ba yan? Kaya pala gusto may 4 eh. Ito may... By the ano talaga, may clock talaga to si Rocky. Dito pala yung diecast. Sa taas?
Yeah, Art and Senna's helmet.
Oh, later, let's see the diecast. Look at the back of the GT40, no? So, ito yung bago niyang laruan. Kasi medyo sawa na siya sa mga supercars. Lately, mga luma ang binibili. Ito. What car is this? Nissan. Nissan pala eh.
Oo, Sentra.
Sentra ba to?
Sentra yung pinanggalingan na.
So, anong kotse to?
S-Cargo.
S-Cargo. May aircon, no?
Yung gasolina na karga.
Ang kulit na ito. Oh, ganda ng leather niya. Ayos yung leather niya.
Interesting.
Look at the handbrake. Like Tamaro FX. Oh, it's a white gauge. 35,000 no? Only. If it's true.
Strange car.
Sa likod. Ikaw, mahilig ka sa ganito, di ba? Mga weird.
What's
So,
happening
si
over
Rocky
there?
mahilig sa mga weird eh. Look, may loob.
Ano kasi to, delivery truck lang to.
Ang
Sa
taas.
Japan.
Oh.
Delivery truck.
Delivery truck sa Japan.
That explains the.
Look at the aircon vent. Oh. Tapos kinonvert niya ng nilagyan na ng upuan.
Upuan.
Kayo na yun,
Hindi
sila na.
sila. Yung pagkabili siguro.
Pagkabili meron.
Look at the got that twisty window.
Diyan, no? Si William naglalakad sa labas, oh. Boss Ron. Oh. Naglalakad sa kanto, oh. He'll do anything for cars. Oh, di ba?
Ito, engine na may kotse.
V8. Talaga? Mas malaki pa yung makina kaya sa kotse, no? V8. Ah, ito, yeah. Dito yung dala nila, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They
Ito
brought
pala
the
yun.
SLS.
Sa Ben
This one
Smith,
had
ito yung
the
dinala.
pagoda.
SL55. Tingnan namin yung diecast collection to. Well din. Oh, welcome to the diecast collection of Boss People.
This Kyosho? Fine, get that one. Please.
Ako, hindi ako mahilig. Well, ayoko simulan. Kasi pag simulan ko, baka dire-diretso. Pero yun. Oh, feast your eyes.
He has everything I want.
Really? Ano? Yung pagkaka-arrange by color. Tapos dito, silver. Ito yung mga G-Wagon. The Benz. The 500E. The Evo.
300
Daming Benz.
SLR.
300 where? Ah, here.
300 SLR.
Oh, the SLR. The Benzes are here. So how did he arrange it? The Lambo. Kunta siya, no?
500. This is
What's
a
Bugatti?
Benz. I forgot what this is. It's
Benz,
in GT7.
There's, syempre, meron ding JDM. A bit.
No. Look at that. There's a 787B over there.
Where? Show me.
Here, Mazda. This one,
Oh,
that is beautiful.
this is Mazda? Ah, yeah, it is.
It's just a
To rally.
rock crawler car.
Rubicon.
M1, Quattro,
But this one is remote already, di ba?
GT500. This one's remote control. This
Yeah, remote control na
Super
eh.
is nice. Oh, cool. You got the Corvette on here. Gosh, that's the Grand Sport.
See, alam niya lahat. And how many collection do you have? About 100 na, no?
100, 200.
So in your room.
Yeah, it's my room. I moved everything to my room.
So are you inspired after seeing this one?
I don't have enough space to fit all these huge cars in the.
No, the office of your dad. He has a room
no,
also.
I'm not gonna take any more of his space. Look at this R33.
Dito pala kami. Hindi pa kami tapos eh.
KLM.
Oh yeah, it's a 33. One of my favorite Skyline. The
This is
34
a
and the 33.
GLM.
And the 32?
No, that's a 30.
33? No.
No, that's
no.
not even a.
That
33.
is.
No, it's not. This is
yeah,
a
what?
400R.
400R, this
There are
one?
no
Oh yeah, yeah,
Skyline
there's
buttons.
R. May R siya na, no? Yeah, correct, 400R.
This is a,
Very special Skyline. Very limited.
I have
Diba?
it in GT7. I maxed mine out.
You're like a car genius.
Ah, yes, it's a Z2.
Tapos here naman, to mga Porsche naman here. Oo, ganun.
Have one
Ito, ganun yung ayos niya. So mostly doon Benz ito, mga Porsche. Ito, tignan natin yung mga gusto natin dito. Ayoko sisimulan eh. Pag bumili ka isa, dire-diretso na yan. Kaya, masaya na ako sa mga paggawa. Ayan, no. Kompleto, oh. Wild, no? Ayan. Ito maganda. Medyo malaki. Tapos naka-acrylic display. So nakaka-overwhelm din talaga, no? Fun seeing the collection. Ito pa. This one. The 34. Guwapo. No? Ito maganda rin yung display na ganyan. Wild. Ayan. More cars for you.
Yes.
Do you have a favorite already? Oh, to, M5.
Is that a V10?
To, what car is this one nga again? The
The
Shark?
3.0
Diba Shark?
CSL.
CSL, tama. Grabe. Ito, the vintage. Hot rods. Ito, mga ano. Sa movie, Back in the Future. DeLorean. Complete. So, si William is losing his mind already. Kasi meron din daw siya collection sa bahay niya. Pero syempre, compared to this one is complete.
Actually, but it's Jaguar. I know it's a Jaguar. This one, 964, Beetle, Diablo. One of my favorites is a
Mercy,
yeah, SV though, SV.
SV.
That's a lot of cars. Ah yes,
Opel.
Some GT. I forgot the name of that.
Oh, meron siyang Volvo,
One of my
no?
favorites.
Ganda ng Volvo.
I have lots of favorite cars. One of these, but I was planning to get a 959 instead. This one, where's the roof on this?
It's a Roadster.
Wait, it's probably in the front. I'm not sure how to open this. How do you open it?
Wala, how can I miss this one? You know, parang pit crew
Veyron.
ng STI Subaru Rally. So parang sa scene na ano may putik pa siya. Galing oh.
If
So
you saw the diorama a while ago,
saan?
siya yung gumawa niya.
Siya mismo.
But this one is the car.
Ang galing ng ano. So, yung mock-up nila oh. The actual repair during rally. Galing ito oh.
The 1-1.
What is this kaya?
That's the front.
Undercarriage.
Yeah. That's the
Tapos ang galing ng mga putik. Talagang look at the mud. They replicated it.
replicator.
Galing ng ginawa nila. Ayun, tama yun. May putik yung kotse.
This is Tamiya.
Nice.
That's a
Magaganda.
GT2 RS.
Yan. This one, the pink one, no?
Does he have other GT?
Yan, this one I like. Anyway, wild, no? Ito, may mas malaki pa palang version. Yan, this one I like. I think this is my favorite from the collection. Wait, there's more. There's another room full of Ferrari. They call it the Ferrari room. With an actual mini kart. Mga caps, oh. Memorabilia, oh. Spider-Man is here. So, the Ferrari room. Grabe yung collection, no? Memorize na kaya lahat yan. No? Kung may mawala kayang isa, maalala kaya niya sa dami. Wild. Ito pa, marami pa dito. Posters, the flags, the
Those
horse.
Hot Wheels cars up there?
Where?
Those are very rare Hot Wheels cars.
Really? This one?
Yeah, Hot Wheels cars like that.
So this one
rare.
are very rare.
Yeah, they're very rare.
How much is one? Would you know?
Around more than $100.
Really?
Yeah. Those are
5K
rare Hot
din.
Wheels. Kyosho, Ferrari 250 GTO.
Mga F1. An
That's
Enzo.
awesome. The windows can go down.
Really?
Yeah, the windows can go down.
Oh, ano?
The thing is, how do we open the door? From what I remember, it goes up.
Siyempre, kung ako, F40 tayo. The ultimate Ferrari. Diba? Wala nang iba. Ito magaganda rin yung maliliit. Mas magandang tingnan. All together, dami oh. Di niya na alam yun. Wala rin may walang isa. Di niya na mapapansin yan. Sa dami niyan.
X something, but it's based on a LaFerrari.
Right, no? So it's like basically 2 floors of diecast collection, toys collection here. Talagang mind-blowing, no,
A
William?
lot bigger than mine, and I literally just realized that we're on the
It's
second
like
floor.
it's like mind-blowing
I just
talaga.
realized we're on the second floor right now.
2 floors dedicated for the collection. That's how wild it is. Tsaka complete na
We
complete.
got the Honda Type R's.
Talagang nakakasira ng ulo, no? The Benz, the Ferrari, the BM, all the brands. JDM, Euro.
Look at this. 33 pedal.
Wow, it's nice.
Vector W8.
Bugatti, lahat eh. Lahat talaga andyan eh. Talaga, pagka serious ka talaga sa collection, no? Kukumpletuhin mo talaga. So, one of my favorite car, the Evo 3. Yellow pa, so it's Jackie Chan, the yellow one. Ito yung favorite ko pala. From the collection.
GT.
Talagang
Viper,
mahilig ako sa Evo 3.
C6.
Ito, the Carreras. Ganda. Anyway, let's head back again dun sa main garage. And it's really mind-blowing. So, some more collections here. Again, sa art. If you're looking for art pieces, you know who to call. Kontakin niyo si Rocky. He can connect you. Ito, maandar yan. Oh, we have Iron Man.
Iron Man. With all these
Galing, ano?
steampunk.
Ayan, ano? Oh. R2-D2.
That's
Oh, he's talking to you. Oh, maandar. Movie forward and backward din. Nice. So, I guess that's it. Sir Pipo, thank you so much, ah. I'll just... Yeah, makita na namin lahat. So, I guess that's it. Sobrang dami, no? Mind-blowing collection. Lahat yan umaandar. So lahat yan, they try to move the cars every weekend, once a week. Each one of them, to maintain, di ba? How to maintain these cars, kailangan gamitin mo. Favorite of mine, the Testarossa. So si William, ang favorite yung the GT40 and the Z1. So si Rocky naman, kasi nga si Rocky, siya yung nagsusupply ng mga parts most of the cars.
So, yan.
Latest na
Itong latest project.
928, tama ba?
Clutch fan. Ano pa ba? May isa pa to eh. Nalimutan
So
ko.
meron ka, nakakuha ka.
Meron naman.
Gano'ng katagal darating?
Usually pag ganito 1 month eh. 45 days.
US.
Hindi, US. Or Germany.
Germany, meron ka rin connect doon.
Original Porsche. By
Ayun, oh.
request. Usually pwede ka mag-request sa Porsche ng
See?
pyesa.
Meron din si Rocky, mga
Pag
ganyan.
luma, oo.
Ano
Pero
pa?
you have to request.
Siyempre, bibig chassis number pa rin, ano?
Tsaka part number.
Part number
Oo,
kailangan.
You have to double check, cross check kasi pag lumang kotse.
Kailangan,
Ano
ah.
pa yun eh, catalog pa dati.
So pwede
hindi
pala
pa-
luma sa'yo, kala ko hindi.
Minsan meron naman. Basta ano lang. Pag,
Ah.
for example, ito, original lahat. So meron.
So pati yung mga Benz nating luma, meron.
Oo naman, may nag-order nga sa akin yung aircon vent.
Nang anong kotse?
124.
124?
Oo.
Meron ka?
Oo.
Brand new?
Brand new, replacement.
China na yun.
Hindi.
Saan? Germany?
Sa Europe.
Oh?
Mga gumagawa. Siyempre,
Magkano yung
marami
ganun?
nagre-restore. Check ko, nalimutan ko.
Di ko alam Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Ayun pala sa mga Benz dyan, di ba? Kahit luma. Ito, meron ka rin.
Control.
Climate control, bumili ka.
Yung module.
So Europe din galing. China. China na.
Dito lang. Dito lang, malapit lang.
Ayan, so siya nagme-maintain. Ano pa?
Ito yung handbrake, electric handbrake.
California.
Electric handbrake na to, yung buo sa likod. Original.
Bago lang na kabit. Last year.
Ito, ano yung
G-Wagon.
Steering box. Sa Mandi darating. Ano pa?
Ano pa yung mga
Ito,
nalagyan mo?
yung
Yung
door
Aston?
Module, door module.
Aston Martin.
Service parts meron.
Ayun, see? Ganyan kalalim yan si Rocky. Pati ito, nalagyan niya.
Tapos yung GTR, in-upgrade namin yung manibela. Ginawa
Ito,
namin,
kay Andre din to,
Oo,
di ba?
yung latest model.
Pati GTR, sa mga GTR owners dyan.
Ito.
So, technically, tulad yan. Any part ng GTR,
Meron
makakuha.
yan.
From body,
Body case,
to inside, to
ito.
mga engine parts.
In-upgrade kasi ng modelo.
Ito pati mga upgrades.
right now.
Meron ka ring upgrades.
Meron naman. Basta original naman eh.
Kung gusto niya rin mag-setup. Sa mga gusto mag-setup, no?
Oo, actually, like mag wheels by request.
Ayun,
Tapos,
mags.
Ito na may manibela pang modelo siya.
Pang modelo to.
Oo. Kasi dati iba eh, malaki.
Quality ni Sir Pipo, ina-upgrade pa niya, no?
In-upgrade ko niya to para kasi
Ayun, no? So, pati setup, hindi lang basta maintenance, pati setup, pwede rin pala sa kanya. Again, chassis number. Ano pa? Meron pa? Mga special.
So far yun lang.
So far yun.
Ito,
Sa Porsche.
shocks ito. Pinta namin shocks to.
Harap, likod.
Harap na, harap. Ay, hindi, ito pala.
Pati shocks. Tapos nakikita ko, meron ka rin mga upuan yan, mga mugs yan, mga headlight din niya.
Oo,
Di ba?
meron din.
Kaya nga,
Ito yung ulit, palit kami shocks. Tsaka suspension arms. Yun,
hindi na kayo mahihirapan. Lalo na if you're planning to buy a supercar like this one, don't worry about the parts. Meron naman. So, doable naman. Tapos marami naman text dyan, no? Na nag-i-install. May kilala ka rin na nag-i-install.
Depende sa case-to-case basis.
Kung ano sira,
kung
depende.
Ano sira, kung ano specialista.
Pero normal naman yung mga yan. Scanning na yan, di ba?
Oo, ay, ano na, high-tech na yan.
Okay. Thank you. So, tapusin na natin yung video at baka humaba na naman. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video episode. Again, no? If you're looking for art na binibenta, hindi kotse. So, message me or Rocky. We can connect you to Sir Pipo para you can choose the art piece that you like. So, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you like the videos. Thank you so much.
Two different levels I cannot relate.